In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify shipping rates. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside, go to Settings and click on Shipping and Delivery. Next, look for Shipping Profiles. This is where you control how much customers are charged for shipping. After that, select the shipping profile you want to edit or click Create New Profile if you want different shipping rules for specific products. Now click Add Rate under the shipping zone where you want to set pricing, such as domestic or international shipping. Next, choose the type of shipping rate you want to create. You can set a flat rate, a free shipping rate, or a price-based or weight-based rate depending on your strategy. After that, enter the shipping rate name and price, and configure the conditions if you are using conditional rates. Now save your shipping rate and repeat the process for any other regions or zones you want to configure. Finally, test your checkout process to make sure the correct shipping rates are showing for customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify shipping rates. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.